Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome with me, Alvin. And yeah, maybe you guys can know what I want talking about in this video from the thumbnail or from the title of this video. And yeah, in this video, I will talk about how to connect a host to internet with Mikrotik. Okay, before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video if you guys think this video is important to you. Okay, let's start. In this video, I will use a Mikrotik that I have. In here, I have a Mikrotik router board 941, and yeah, there is 4 port of Ethernet and 1 port of LAN, VLAN wireless, and for the serial number is 900. Okay, first we will turn this Mikrotik on with plugging the power supply of this Mikrotik, and after that don't forget to connect this router to your laptop or your PC. Okay, after we connect our laptop to the Mikrotik, and yeah, I forget. Nah, this is the topology that we will use in this video. So we can see in here, this is the PC. After that, this is the Mikrotik and router gateway and the ESP or Internet Service Provider. And in this video, I will make my laptop connect to my Mikrotik with wire or with cable, and Mikrotik connect to the router gateway. I will use wireless, so we don't need to use cable to connect our Mikrotik to router gateway. So okay, next we will open our Winbox, and in here there is our Mikrotik that already connect to our laptop. We will click the MAC address and click connect. Okay, now thing that we will do in the first, maybe we will make user right. Oh, where is it? Maybe we will change the identity first. Okay, in this I will like RB Alvin because it's my name, right? Okay, now first we will try to connect this Mikrotik to the router gateway. So because in here we will use the wireless to connect our Mikrotik to router gateway. So first we need to turn it on the wireless port in this Mikrotik, because router a Mikrotik that new or default configuration from the Mikrotik itself, the wireless port it will be off, so we need to turn it on. And after that, in here we will make the mode of this Mikrotik will be station. So this Mikrotik will catch the Wi-Fi of router gateway and can be used on this laptop. And after that, for the band, we will use the 2 GHz BGN, and for the SSID we will not change up because yeah, it will be changed by itself when we connect to the router gateway. And for this, the important thing, the security profile. So we'll go to the wireless and we'll go to the security profile. In here, we will make new security profile. So what is security profile? So in here, we will make the key that this Mikrotik can connect to the router gateway with this key. So for the mode, it will be dynamic key, and for the authentication type, if you guys don't know what the type of security profile in router gateway, we can check this all box in here, and these two columns we will insert the password of the router gateway that we will use to connect this Mikrotik to internet. So I will type my Wi-Fi password and I will repeat it in WebPA to reset key. Okay, now can click apply and okay. So this is my security profile that contain my password, my router gateway password. So after we make the security profile, we will use that security profile in this interface one that we can go to interface and double click in one, and now we can click apply, but after that we will click this scan button, click it, and for the interface we will use the one else. Okay, can click this start button. Okay, in here we can see that this is the Wi-Fi that near of this Mikrotik. So here I will select this. This is my router gateway that I will use in this video. So I will click it and click connect. And after that, we can wait until this. Okay, this is already. So we can see in here connected to S and running, right? Okay, now this Mikrotik already connect to my router gateway with password that we made before. And the next step that we will do is make this router get an IP from router gateway. So how? We'll go to the IP and go to the DHCP client and we will make new and click plus, and after that for the interface we will use 1 at default root, yes of course, and after that click apply and okay. Now we'll wait until the status of this PHP client it will be bound. If the status is bound, it means this router already get an IP from router gateway, and in here we can see this router already get an IP from that router gateway that we use to connect this Mikrotik to internet. And we can check, go to the IP and address. In here we get IP 191, 192, 168, 1 and 40, 14/24 in the interface 1. And you can see the flag is dynamic because we use the HTTP client. Okay, now we will go to the IP, no, we will go to the DNS. Oh yeah, IP and search for DNS in here. and click this, and we'll insert the DNS of Google, so this Mikrotik can do internet. Okay, for the DNS of Google, it will be 8, 8, 8, and 8, and we can insert the another DNS of Google will be 8.8.4.4. So after that, don't forget to click this allow remote request. So this Mikrotik, no, that device that connect to this Mikrotik can access the internet. Click apply and okay. Okay, now we can try go to the new terminal. Okay, in here we can try to ping to the internet. Okay, in here we can see that the IP 8.8.8.8, or we can say that Google can reply our request ping. Okay, it means this Mikrotik already connect to the internet, and for the next step we will make this laptop can access to the internet with this Mikrotik. So how? First, we will go to the IP address. We will make an IP. So for this device that won't connect to this Mikrotik, so like the topology, and here I want to use this 10.10.10.0 for the network. So for the address, it will be 10.10.10.1/24. And for the interface, in here I use this interface Ethernet 2. Goodbye and okay. Okay, now we'll do configuration in my laptop so I can access this router, can connect to this router. So I will control panel. In here we can go to the view network status and task, and go to this Ethernet 2 properties, and we can search for the Internet Protocol version 4. Double click in that, and you can see in here this is can insert the IP that same as that we insert in Mikrotik. So with the IP it will be 10, 10, 10, and 2, because 10, 10, 10, and 1 is already used by Mikrotik. And for the Saturn mask, as we use says 24, so it will be 255, 255, 255, and 0. And for the gateway, it will be same as IP of the Mikrotik. Okay, after that, for DNS, we can insert like this. You can insert like this, same as DNS that we insert in Mikrotik too. Like, okay, yes. Okay, we will wait. Okay, okay. We can see that this we can access CMD. Can click Windows R, and after that type CMD in it, and in here we can try to ping 10, 10, 10, and 1. Can try to ping this laptop to the Mikrotik, so we can make sure this device already connect to our router Mikrotik, and voila, the result is we already connect to Mikrotik with that IP that we configured earlier. And now this laptop is already connected to the Mikrotik, right? But this laptop haven't this laptop still cannot do internet browsing of that. Okay, how? First, we'll go to the IP and we'll go to the firewall. So in here, we'll make this device, IP of this device will convert to the public IP, so this device can do browsing. So first, after go to the firewall, we'll go to the NAT and you can click this. We'll make new firewall NAT, and for the chain it will be source NAT or SRC NAT. For the action it will be SQRAT. Okay, that, apply, and okay. Okay, now you can see in here the icon is changed, and if we go to the control panel again and go to the view network and status and task, you can see in this there is say public network. So we can try to do a speed test, and voila, this device is already connected to the internet, and we can sorry about that, we can watch a YouTube tutorial, you can play a video game, you can read a comic that you like, or like this. This is
It's 9:15. How am I already underwater?
I'm in the same boat.
I'm in an actual boat.
I thought.
so I can access internet with this router. Okay, maybe that's all for me. I'm Alvin. Sorry if there is problem or like the sound, maybe my voice not hear clear or something, because I don't have microphone. And you think this video is important to you, or maybe your friend need a material like this, you can share this video to him. Okay, thank you for your attention, thank you for listening. My name is Alvin. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.